And with these slatted beds, you just literally pull them out. Just make sure there's nothing inside that's stopping them coming out. And this one comes out to about there. So you've got a small bit of space, and you can just get the furthest kitchen door open just because of how we've fitted this. Comes out, and there you get an idea of what space you've got left if you have the pull-out bed. They still leave you free for your storage when you've not got your mattress tops on. You can store all your stuff in there. We've got some in boxes. Back around the other side, purely by luck, I can open one of the doors, so you have to make sure all the stuff you need when the bed's down is on this left hand side. The reason it's this far back, before you all ask, we put our fridge here and connect it to our power. We have a portable fridge.